Welcome back to the All Seasons channel. Today, Cameron and I are going to work on this Dometic air conditioner. The fan does not work, and I'm thinking we might have a stuck fan on this one, so we're going to take you along for the ride. Hey, right now would be a great time to go down there and give me a like, leave me a comment. You might even subscribe if you haven't already. Is that right, Cameron? Yeah, he said yeah. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is gain access to the fan. I'm pulling this plastic cover off, I believe we'll be able to reach that fan on this one, I think. Oh, yep, there it is.
There.
Just use something sharp, not too sharp. Get these two little plastic covers off here. Just screw under each one of them. I actually thought it was funny. If you watched my Flex Seal video, this is the customer. When I asked him if I could videotape this, he says, as long as you don't make fun of my Flex Seal again. I thought that was funny. I hope he does too.
You a good sport, aren't you? Are you a good sport? What's that guy doing? That's Kenny working on the air conditioner. No, he's got a problem with the air conditioner on the excavator too. But he works on campers.
Alright. Moment of truth. I'll get that light. Shot it right in there. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if the fan is just stuck. Yes, it is stuck. Okay. Hopefully you can see it rotating up there. Probably not. My hand's in the way, but it was stuck. Now it is not stuck. So, let me see if we can get the generator started yet. I'll tell you what. We're hooked into my truck. Let's just do this right here. I have a big inverter on my truck. Let's go to fan. High. See if the fan comes on now. Yes. As you can hear, we have fan action. Now we're going to check and make sure it makes cold air. So we're going to leave that fan on high. We're going to toggle around to cool. Wait and see if we can. Yep, we have compressor. So that ought to get it. We'll hang around here for a few minutes and make sure it's going to cool good. I think I'm going to go up in there with some aluminum tape that Cameron's going to go get, and we're going to do some sealing up in there. Make sure I see some air leaks that we need to address, and then. But I think this one's going to be a done deal. So that was a really quickie. If you have not used your air conditioner for 6, 7, 8 months, you turn it on and it just strains. You might hear the compressor come on, but you don't get any fan. A lot of times those fans will get just stuck. Pretty close tolerances inside those fan motors, and just a little bit of rust, a little bit of surface rust, and you might have that little issue right there. So this can be a really quick video. So as always, thanks for watching. And me and Cameron's going to go down the road and we're going to fix another one as soon as we get the air leaks fixed in this one. So y'all have a great day.